I'm now going to show you how to input data from the Ultrix database files. These files have the extension YXDB. Again, in the resources of this lecture, you should have a file called health_patients. Let me open this file to view the data. So because this is a YXDB file, it opens the data into Ultrix. So this is what it looks like. And this is just the health patients data that you should be familiar with now. So let me close this. So to read this data into your workflow, you can simply use the input data tool, set up a connection, and select the file. And as you can see, that's read it in without any issues. And the configuration is super easy, as you can see. So in general, Ultrix supports loads of different file formats and data sources, such as SQL databases. There's no point going over each and every one. If you select some different ones here, in terms of the file formats, then you can see the different configuration options. You can also go to the Ultrix community for guidance on how to connect to a different data source or a different file format. So for example, I'm in the community now, and let's say I wanted to know how I can connect to tables on an SQL Server database. Well, I can search for that in the community by typing connect to SQL Server. I can then go on the help documentation, and then I can click on this link, which tells me step by step what I need to do, as you can see. So please use the Ultrix community, which is community.ultrix.com. If you have any specific questions or issues, there's plenty of documentation.